'62 Corvette. We just saw year number 1 of the C3 generation. Here's the final year of the first generation Corvette.
Modern era 6.2 liter LS3 power with a 6-speed manual transmission, and it has been restored, hence the word resto mod, and modified to an extreme. Corvette suspension integrated on this, but not from a generation 5 or 6. Generation 4 suspension components were used. And that's great because it keeps it all in the family. When you mix and match and blend various generations of Corvette components, a lot of the Corvette folks that are heading towards a modified car, it just helps keep sort of the theme and the pride of the Corvette brand intact. And not surprised, Scott. Yeah. Reserve comes off mid $200,000 range. Look at this.
What about you, sir?
And I just got to keep reminding myself, it is Thursday.
Yep, don't touch that dial.
Yep.
Well, there we go, $240,000 for that 62 Corvette that we are all in awe of.
Custom top and rear doors fabricated in Colombia, South America. This is the only known Colombian U13.